What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to cancel your subscription on an Apple device such as an iPhone or an iPad to any service or website or application you're subscribed to. So to do so, you simply need to go to settings and then tap on your name at the top here. And then you'll find the fourth option is subscriptions. If you choose it, here you'll see all the apps or services that I'm subscribed to, as well as the apps that I used to be subscribed to and cancel the subscription. These are the inactive apps. So if I want to cancel a subscription to an app, let's say this Disney Plus subscription, I'll tap on it. And here you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. If I cancel the subscription, your subscription will still be active till the end of your billing cycle, then it will not be renewed. If this service is to be renewed on the 28th of August, as is mine here, if I cancel the subscription now, it'll not cancel, it'll stay active till the 28th of August, and then it'll cancel automatically.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.